check out what we were given. This is a bathroom light fan. Now, this is a lot bigger than most of them that I've either had the pleasure of seeing installed or have installed myself. And it comes with a few features that is really, really nice. So let's get this out. Let's talk all about it. First of all, when you see this, look how big this LED light is. Now, this right here is a 1500 lumen light. That is it right here. And you can see it's all the LEDs that you would need. They are bright. They are energy saving because of the fact they're not like these bulbs that use a lot of energy. So because of that, these are going to be a little bit more energy efficient. Now, this fan moves 1500 in air. Now, when you look at this fan, you can see right here that it is a pretty nice squirrel cage. Now, what I am going to do, because it does come with a plug-in, is show you that when you plug it in and you get a remote with it. Now, what we're going to do is just show you the airflow from right here. Okay, so as you can see, we've got it plugged in right there, and we're going to turn on the fan. And look at my hair. This does 190 CFM. Now, if you're wanting to know how much of a room it'll do for 190 CFM, this does about 200 square feet, which can be about a 10 by 20 bedroom or room if you looked at it. These are great applications in just anywhere where you have a lot of humidity and moisture. Bathrooms, or even a laundry room where you want to be able to pull the steam out or whatever. You know, especially if you've got other things in there, like other fixtures in there that it puts out water, it works out really, really great. Now, it does come with a remote, and as you can see, we can plug in this light, and you can see that when we plug this in and we turn the light on, how bright it truly is. So this is going to help you a lot where you have like one light, or maybe you don't have any lights except for on the wall here, and you would like to have a ceiling light. This is going to add a lot more light to your room. With the 190 CFMs that it does, this thing is just absolutely amazing. So as you can see, not only is that good, but you have everything to be able to put it up, including the flexible piping so that you can take it. Check your code when you're doing it, because sometimes they want you to take it to a soffit, or maybe just take it above your insulation. But if you are in need of a great light fan kit to go in a bathroom, laundry room, anywhere where you have moisture, then get you one of these.